So what is Sermo app? Physician network app. Join Sermo #1 doctors only global social platform. Sermo is free, private, secure, and open to all credentialed physicians. Nearly 800,000 doctors from 150 countries turn to Sermo to get paid for their expertise, seek second opinions, or unwind from a stressful day. Join today to discuss, earn honoraria so you can get for your perspective. So yeah, want a second opinion, and so there are some surveys and some questionnaires in this app where you can actually earn revenue and money in this app. I guess obviously need to be based in US with specific license, but then yeah, you can just join this app, and then yeah, you can just create an account so you can be physician, nurse practitioner, pharmacist, physician assistant, other healthcare provider, and then country of practice. It allows you to select multiple countries. I don't know whether it's global and you can actually earn revenue from all around the world from here. But yeah, seems 150 countries available and some good reviews, but there aren't that many. So yeah, that's the idea.